Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly for Nursery and Reception. It is Friday the 19th of July 2024, and yes, we are here, we've done it at the end of the year, and we're here to celebrate all those children who've been amazing throughout not only the summer term but throughout this year as well, with 100% rosettes, Child of the Year trophies as well. And we're going to start this morning our presentation assembly in nursery, and in nursery we've got some children who have been working really hard on their maths throughout this summer term, and those two children are, come on in, Mehmet and Tia. Look at that, look at those smiles. You should be smiling. You've won your presentation assembly certificates. Well done for maths. Keep that up over the summer holidays, please, you two, because I know it'll be brilliant for when you start it in reception. So really well done. Keep that up. Thank you. On to our phonics stars, and these children have been working so hard on their phonics and learning their sounds every single day. And again, they are Molly and Zara. Look at that again. Beautiful smiles. Look, colourings as well. Writing as well, trying to write names. Keep that up over the summer, you two. You've won yourself certificates for your phonics. Keep up that phonics as well, because you've got 6 weeks of it. So please try and keep doing that every day if you can as well. It will be brilliant. Enjoy taking your certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. On to our reading stars, and on that, we've got the reading challenge. Just to remember, we've been looking at that. We've been going to the library. Really, the summer reading challenge would be brilliant if we get as many children as possible doing that as we can, please. So the reading stars are, here they come. Oh, Scarlett and Tommy, look at them, look at those smiles. They love reading. Look at that. Tommy, look, he's brilliant. 5-read raffle, absolutely. And Scarlett there, so really well done. I know you love going to the library as well, so keep that up over the summer so you can do that reading challenge well. Enjoy taking your certificate and your new book home today. You superstars, well done. On to our Understanding the World children who have been so inquisitive, asking lots and lots of questions. They are, come on in. Look, Milo Rose and Oscar, look at that again, fantastic. Really hungry caterpillars there, absolutely superb. So inquisitive, you two. Let's keep that up because it'll set you up ready for when you start in reception. Absolutely brilliant, so well done, you two. There it is. Physical development, our PE stars. These children are really physically active all the time, inside and out, and they are none other than Safia and Adina. They're again massive big smiles again, and you'll see them out whenever they're outside running about, charging about. Absolutely brilliant. Keep that up over the summer. Keep yourselves fit and keep yourself nice and healthy over the summer. Enjoy taking your certificates home, you superstars. Well done. Well done, those nursery children. On to reception. We've got maths certificates for these reception children who've been working so hard on their maths, and they are, come on in. Oh, here they are. Look, Brody, Tanisha, Theo and George, look at that, you absolute superstars. You can see them working so hard on their maths already. Look at them. Look at their concentration. Absolutely brilliant. Really well deserved. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home today, superstars. Well done. On to our phonics certificate winners. These guys have been working so hard on their phonics as well, learning their sounds, and then putting that into their writing as well. It's brilliant. Our phonics stars are, come on in. Oh, here they are, Archie, Ibrahim, Diana, and Oscar. Talk about putting in their writing. Look at this. Look at their writing, these reception children. Absolutely amazing. Keep that up over the summer, guys, because keep that writing going, because you'll be ready for year one. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home. Well done. On to our reading certificate winners there. Just to mention again, summer reading challenge. Come on, guys, let's keep going with that summer reading challenge. Give it a really good go. We get as many children possible reading over the summer. You've only got to read 6 books, so give it a go. Get to the library and register. Our reading winners for this term are, here they come, Ruby, Ellis, Destiny, and Milan. Look again, look at that, good manners. Destiny, you have the best manners. But look at that, brilliant writing as well there, Ellis. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking not only your new reading book and your certificate home. Well done over the summer, you superstars, well done. On to our Understanding the World certificate, and these guys are really inquisitive. They are none other than, come on in, Luca, Noah, Lily Mae, and Harrison. Look at that, down at Forest Schools. Absolutely brilliant. The most inquisitive children, always asking questions, always finding things, and actually really good general knowledge they've got as well. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home. Well done. On to our physical development, our PE stars. Look at these guys. Come on, these guys are really physically fit. Come on in. Here they come. Oh, look, Finley, Goda, Amelia, and Ruby outside all the while, getting out about, fiddling about as well. Absolutely brilliant. Just being as physically fit as you possibly can. Keep that up over the summer, guys, and enjoy taking your certificates home, you superstars. So really well done. Wow, what a lot of certificates. But not only that, all those children earn the certificate, absolutely brilliant. We also then look at 100% attendance, looking at all those children who've got 100% and have not missed a single day, and they're going to get themselves a rosette. So these guys get themselves a rosette because they're not a single day all year, which is brilliant. And the 3 children are none other than, coming in, Oliver, Victoria and Destiny. Well done, you 3. That is phenomenal. So really well done. Well deserved. Enjoy taking your rosette home with you, you superstars. You absolutely deserve that because you've not missed a single day. I am so proud of you. Well done. Well done. On to next, we have Child of the Year. And our next award goes to the Child of the Year. So we've got one child in nursery vote themselves a Child of the Year, and also in reception there's a child in each class as well who vote themselves as well the Shield, who've just been amazing throughout this year. Now we're going to watch a nice video by Miss Keenan about the nursery Child of the Year.
What a fantastic year we've had in nursery. It was really tricky to choose just one child to celebrate, as all of the children have done a fantastic job this year. They're all really settled into school life and they are good at following our routines at nursery. We've chosen this particular child for very many reasons, so I wonder who it could be. Our Child of the Year is a very caring person and they're always keen to help out at tidy up time. This child is also really good at maths. They're able to recognise numbers and they're starting to write lots of numbers as well. This child is always eager to learn new things and give things a try, and they enjoy asking questions about what we're learning about. Well done this year. We are super proud of how well you've done in nursery, and good luck in reception. Now let's find out what the rest of the nursery staff have got to say about this child.
This child is very creative. They love to draw and they always make fantastic pictures. They have also been working hard on their writing and they are now confident writing their name. It's been a pleasure teaching this child and I wish them all the best in reception.
This child always sits beautifully during carpet time. They listen well and are keen to share their ideas. I wish them all the best for reception.
This child reads 5 times a week and really enjoys going to the library.
This child has been a superstar throughout nursery. They have made friends with everyone and will always look after other children if they're feeling sad. This child is amazing at lunchtime. They always eat all the lunch without any fuss and is very polite to everyone. Good luck and well done.
Well done, Oliver. You get to take your shield home today, you absolute superstar. Well done, and thank you from Mr. Allen. Well done. On to Miss McTavish Child of the Year. We have Miss McTavish's Child of the Year now, again, earning themselves their shield for Child of the Year, who've just been amazing throughout. And Miss McTavish has got a little video now for you all to watch.
She's good at PE. She's really good at making good marble runs. I like playing with her.
First time I checked this child's reading record, I was surprised with how many books they read at home. It was a very, very pleasant surprise, I have to say. Maybe this child will be a writer one day, who knows. This child also makes beautiful drawings, has beautiful handwriting, and is a very friendly and kind child. Congratulations for your award, it's very well deserved.
I like playing with her. She is really good at drawing pictures because she plays me nicely, because I love her.
This child has been a joy to work with. They are kind to their friends and well done.
Playing with hide and seek in school. She's good at playing with me.
So much for making me feel so welcome coming into your class. Thank you, you're a superstar.
Always say thank you on the Always play with me. She's good at writing.
This child has been excellent this year. She's always full of smiles and laughter and is always showing really good manners.
She's been kind to everybody.
This child is a happy and enthusiastic member of the class who brings happiness and sunshine into the room.
This child has been absolutely brilliant all year. From the moment they came to Marcos Primary School until this very day, they have an amazing day every day. They really deserve to be Child of the Year.
This child has been a pleasure to have as a member of the Turtle class. It has been wonderful to see how enthusiastic she's been about all our learning and how she's just been eager to get stuck in and always try her best. Over the year, she has done some amazing drawings, progressed amazingly with her writing, and just been an all-round fantastic member of the Turtle class. I'm so proud of all the progress that they've made, and I can't wait to see how else they progress over their time at Mile Cross. Well done, you really deserve this Child of the Year.
Playing at home called that are my friends. There was a baby bear and a mummy bear. And the baby wanted a hug from her.
Well done, Ada Ray, you absolute superstar. Yes, you have won the shield. You are Child of the Year from Miss McTavish's class. Really well done. On to Miss Reed's Child of the Year. And again, this child has been amazing throughout the year and they've earned themselves a shield as well. So we'll start. Miss Reed's made a little video for them as well.
The lady has been marvellous this year. You can see the way she's grown. Her phonics is amazing. I've learned so much off of her.
I like playing with her because it's nice and every day because she's nice and I want to play with her.
In phonics, this child works very hard indeed and has made amazing progress this year.
I like playing hide and seek with her.
This child is kind to her friends, very helpful, and has been a joy to have in class. Well done.
I love to play her because she's my friend.
It has been a pleasure to work with this child in reception. They are funny, curious, kind, and they always surprise me with how much knowledge they have about pretty much everything. I think it's a very well-deserved Child of the Year award. Congratulations!
She is really good at drawing.
This child always comes to school with a big smile on her face. She is inquisitive and always excited to learn. She is kind to the people around her and is always there if anyone needs a helping hand.
Well done, Rebecca. Yes, you have won the Child of the Year. Well done for Miss Reed class. You absolute superstar. Do enjoy taking this home, and thank you for Miss Run for being so amazing. Thank you. And my final thank yous to all parents and everyone throughout supported us throughout this year. It is a huge thank you. Without your help, without your support, it has been impossible to run this school, to do the things we do. So it's thank you to all of you parents. Thank you so much for this year. We've had a brilliant year, absolutely smashing it with our results and everything else, and the children have had an amazing time. So thank you all so much from all of us at Milecross Primary. And finally, obviously, school closes today at 3:15, final day. The sun is finally out. We've had a couple of days of really sunny, nice weather. It's boiling hot today as well, which is lovely to see as well. And as you can see, school opens again on Wednesday, the 4th of September 2024, where gates will open at 8:30. Have a fantastic summer holiday, everyone, and we'll see you all in September. Bye-bye now.